So hello guys, habari yenu. I trust you are all doing well. So today we have another new video that, as you all know, what we do is to bring you development projects that the government is undertaking. And today we want to bring you a project that I know you are aware of if you are a user of Thika Road. And these are the adjustments at the Allsops Junction. As you all know guys, Allsops Junction is the point whereby the Outering Road, which is a dual carriage, meets Thika Superhighway, and it meets Thika Superhighway where it has 8 lanes. So you can imagine at this point where these two roads meet, you can expect chaos if traffic is not well controlled. And you know, I'm not very sure which year Outering Road was completed, but since its completion, there arose a very big issue at this Allsops Junction, and then the government engineers had to go back to the drawing board to see how well they could have eased the traffic at this point. So what they did was to draw a map for the adjustment of the Thika Superhighway as well as construction of a footbridge. And what we will show you in this video are those adjustments that were made. And if you are a frequent user of Thika Road, I know you have something to appreciate, because for the past 6 months, you know, the situation at this point, not even the past 6 months, let's call it 9 months. I'm not sure exact date when the project was completed, but for the past 8 months, I know that motorists have really enjoyed this point of junction, because the traffic that they used to experience earlier before, it's no longer something that they see nowadays. So what the government did actually is to expand Thika Road further, to put an additional lane that really made things so much easier for motorists who are coming from Nairobi to make a U-turn or to join Outer Ring. So they do not have now to use the overpass that connects to the GSU gate. You see, that was the only point that all the cars used to join Thika Road. So if you are joining Thika Road from Outer Ring, you had to use that overpass that leads to the gate of the GSU. But now there is another one down there. You will see it in this video. Actually, it is not as busy as people would expect. So if people want to join the Outer Ring Road from town, it has made work much easier, and traffic at this point, it's no longer a nightmare. Something else that is very interesting is the footbridge. Actually, it is still under construction. As you will see in our videos here, you will see some points that clearly indicates that the footbridge is yet to be complete. But once it is completed, I think this will be one of the longest bridges that I have seen in this country and even in other countries. If I put this bridge on a straight line, I think it could make up to almost 1 kilometer. You know why? Because it picks pedestrians from the Thika Superhighway, and then it crosses them to the other side of Outer Ring and also to the service lane of Thika Road on the other side. So once completed, I think this will be one of the mega bridges that we have in Kenya. I have seen the quality of its construction. It has been a bit slow, but I can tell you, I think engineers are leaving nothing at chance. Everything seems to be top-notch, good quality, but of course maybe it's a little bit slow, because of course when you work with the government, sometimes there are some hiccups. So this is a project that I know Kenyans will enjoy for the longest possible. And as we told you, the most interesting things about the road construction projects that we are seeing is that they are designed for the long term. We haven't seen a project that really focuses on simple recarpeting or like things that you see that politicians who are short-sighted do. You know, there are those who just come with short-term projects just for re-election. But one of these projects that we have noticed, especially here at Allsops, I can tell you the future was in the minds of engineers or the people who started this. So I hope as you continue using Thika Road, you will continue enjoying this point of junction. And if you have been using Thika Road for the longest, I know you know what I am talking about. So guys, that is what we spent our day doing today, so that we can just appreciate the beauty of our country. We can appreciate the developments that are taking place for our own use. So continue keeping it Tembea Kenya, Continue keeping it Explore 254, and as well remember to subscribe if you are new here, and we will be very happy if you help us by subscribing. So guys, for us it's a short goodbye, but continue watching this video to the end because I know you will not fail to enjoy.